5 powerful freelance marketplace alternatives. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Brand. Are you tired of Fiverr and Upwork, where it's hard to stand out and clients always seem to go for the cheapest option? In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful freelance marketplace alternatives that can help you find better clients and higher paying projects. Let's dive in. Alternative 1, Toptal. The first platform is Toptal, which is perfect for top-tier professionals. They have a rigorous screening process, but once you're in, you can access high-paying clients like Shopify and JP Morgan. It's great for developers, designers, and finance experts. Alternative 2, 99 Designs. For creative professionals like graphic designers, 99 Designs is a fantastic choice. You can compete in design contests or work directly with clients. It's great for building a portfolio and landing premium projects. Alternative 3, PeoplePerHour. Next up is PeoplePerHour, a versatile platform for all kinds of freelancers. From writing to web development, it's less saturated than Fiverr and offers hourly or fixed-price projects. Their unique ranking system rewards good reviews, helping you stand out. Alternative 4, Freelancer.com. Another great option is Freelancer.com, which offers a wide variety of jobs, from data entry to software development. It has millions of users worldwide, and the bidding process is straightforward. Plus, they host contests for extra earning opportunities. Alternative 5, Workana. Finally, Workana is ideal for freelancers in Latin America, but it's expanding globally. It's known for its user-friendly interface and a growing client base. This is a hidden gem that can give you a head start in emerging markets. These platforms are excellent Fiverr and Upwork alternatives, and they can help you take your freelance career to the next level. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more freelancing tips and tricks. See you next time.